Hey everyone, in today's video, I wanted to show you how to share your screen with anyone on Skype. This rolled out in 2019 and it's a very useful option in Skype. What you want to do here, I'm under the chat window on Skype, but if you go to the call window on the bottom in the center, in the call window, you want to either search for the person or from your recent calls, find the person and make a video call with them. So I'm going to search for that person and I clicked on their name and now I'm under their chat window here. And I want to press the video option on the top. You actually don't have to video chat, but you'll have to go to the video mode to share your screen. So I'm gonna press that. So now I just turned off the camera. So you see the camera icon in the center, just make sure you turn that off. So right now it's just audio. You could even turn off audio if you just want to screen share here. And now in order to screen share, press the three dots on the bottom and you should have an option called screen share. Go ahead and press that option. You could also record your screen on this page as well, but I'm gonna screen share here. And under this drop down, I have other apps available that do screen recording and screen sharing, but I wanna choose Skype. So make sure you jump into Skype and then press start broadcast. Now, if I get out of Skype here, my screen will be shared with the other person. So if I slide in my application folder, you could see that there's a little bit of lag because we're doing this wirelessly, but for the most part, it's going to be a clear resolution video for them to see exactly what you're doing on your screen. So I could jump into the stocks tab and they could see exactly what I'm seeing here. And now I could come back to the Skype app. And if I wanted to end this screen share, I could simply press stop screen share on top and I could press OK. And the screen sharing has stopped. My call is still going, so I could turn off my call here by pressing end call, and that will end the whole Skype conversation, including the screen share. I hope you found this quick video useful. Please give this a thumbs up and subscribe for daily tech and social media videos, and I'll catch you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.